What are you doing, Ollie?
Happy?
Yay.
Hello, Ollie. Hello, sweetheart. Oh, speaker.
Yeah?
Hi, darling. Grandma.
Say, I love you, Grandma.
I love you, Ollie. Grandma loves you. Yeah, I love you, darling. Can you say I love you?
Say, I love you.
I love you, Ollie. Yes, I do. I love my Ollie.
Say, I love Grandma.
Grandma loves Ollie. Well, you sound happy tonight. Are you helping Mommy with the clothes? Are you helping Mommy with the clothes? I bet it's when you found the part.
You said, Mama told me no.
I love you, darling.
Say, I love you.
I love my Ollie. We're going to have to start doing some video conferencing and seeing each other. Yeah, we're going to have to start getting on the computers and seeing each other. Oh, I love you, darling. Grandma misses you.
Say, I love you. Say, I love you.
Mwah, Ollie. Mwah, mwah, mwah. You sweetheart. I love you. Oh. So what are you eating for supper tonight, little monkey? Or you can tell Mommy fix me pizza. Say, fix me pizza, Mama. Like pizza? Do you like pizza? Or you can tell her, fix me a grilled cheese sandwich, Mommy. So Mommy said, I like grilled cheese sandwiches, Mommy. Oh, he sounds so precious.
He is.
Are you my precious little boy? Give Mommy a big kiss and tell her, I love you, Mommy. Give me a big kiss. Mommy needs a big kiss from her favorite little man.
He's like, no.
Give Mommy a big kiss. Mommy wants a kiss.
Give Mama a kiss.
Give Mommy sugar.
Okay, run away from Mama. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I love you, darling.